Question 1. How many hours does a cat sleep in a day? A. 10 hours. B. 12 hours. C. 16 hours. D. 18 hours. Correct answer, C. 16 hours. Question 2. Which place is known as the Lock City? A. Aligarh. B. Jabalpur. C. Gorakhpur. D. Moradabad. Correct answer, A. Aligarh. Question 3. What is the favorite food of Indians? A. Kheer. B. Rice. C. Bread. D. Khichdi. Correct answer, D. Khichdi. Question 4. In which country was jalebi invented? A. Iran. B. India. C. Malaysia. D. Russia. Correct answer, A. Iran. Question 5. Where was the first oil well in India drilled? A. Goa. B. Kerala. C. Digboi. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, C. Digboi. Question 6. Which country has the cleanest water in the world? A. India. B. Singapore. C. Greenland. D. Africa. Correct answer, C. Greenland. Question 7. In which country can you find purple tomatoes? A. China. B. England. C. America. D. India. Correct answer, A. China. Question 8. Which state produces the most cashews? A. Delhi. B. Kerala. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, B. Kerala. Question 9. How many people have traveled to the moon so far? A. 5 people. B. 8 people. C. 11 people. D. 12 people. Correct answer, D. 12 people. Question 10. What is India's national vegetable? A. Cabbage. B. Potato. C. Onion. D. Tomato. Correct answer, B. Potato. Question 11. In which Indian state was the first taxi service introduced? A. Mumbai. B. Delhi. C. Bangalore. D. Gujarat. Correct answer, C. Bangalore. Question 12. Which vitamin is found in guava? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin A. D. Vitamin K. Correct answer, A. Vitamin C. Question 13. Touching which tree can kill a person? A. Kokum. B. Lemon. C. Papaya. D. Manchineel tree, Hongveja. Correct answer, D. Manchineel tree, Hongveja. Question 14. What is the benefit of eating basil leaves on an empty stomach in the morning? A. Prevents cancer. B. Aids digestion. C. Reduces stress. D. Cures cold. Correct answer, C. Reduces stress. Question 15. How many months did Sita stay in Lanka? A. 11 months. B. 14 months. C. 15 months. D. 18 months. Correct answer A. 11 months. Question 16. In which country is bathing at night considered inauspicious? A. India. B. Japan. C. Sri Lanka. D. Pakistan. Correct answer B. Japan. Question 17. Which bird is said to cry for the moon? A. Peacock. B. Pigeon. C. Chakor, red-legged partridge. D. Swan. Correct answer C. Chakor. Question 18. Which bird is commonly known as the postman bird? A. Peacock. B. Parrot. C. Swan. D. Pigeon. Correct answer D. Pigeon. Question 19. What is the currency of the United States? A. Rupee. B. Dollar. C. Yen. D. None of these. Correct answer B. Dollar. Question 20. Who was the first person in India to receive an Aadhaar card? A. Narendra Modi. B. Rahul Gandhi. C. Ranjana Sonwane. D. Amit Shah. Correct answer C. Ranjana Sonwane.
Question 21. What health issue can eating too many fried snacks, like Gathia, cause? A. Stomach problems. B. Kidney stones. C. Anemia. D. Constipation. Correct answer A. Stomach problems. Question 22. How many years did it take to build the Taj Mahal? A. 10 years. B. 22 years. C. 20 years. D. 30 years. Correct answer B. 22 years. Question 23. Overuse of headphones can lead to which health issue? A. Diabetes. B. Cancer. C. Heart attack. D. Brain tumor. Correct answer B. Cancer. Question 24. Which plant is most commonly found in deserts? A. Aloe vera. B. Lily. C. Cactus. D. Rose. Correct answer C. Cactus.